Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today we are starting off with another hair video. So I did get this sent to me by Briogeo. Don't have to make a video about it, but I am just really obsessed with it. This is the new Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Rice Water Protein Moisture Strengthening Treatment, and this thing is a godsend. I am so obsessed with this. I've tried the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair hair mask. I have the honey one that was a gift from my friend, and I've tried the regular one, and they have sent me the shampoo, their new treatment, and the oil, and I am just so obsessed with everything that I just had to make a video about it because I've tried this for this last month of December, and I just can't believe how stinking awesome this is. It's two different sides, no silicone, sulfates, any of that stuff per normal Briogeo. But I've used this in a multitude of different ways, and every single way that I've used this, I have been super impressed by it, and I feel like my hair over time has reduced spreads. I did not use this the last time I washed my hair, which was about 2 days ago, and still my hair has hardly any frizz to it, which is crazy considering my hair is normally super frizzy and my hair is very hydrated. I feel like it's also helped with the oil in my hair because normally my hair would start getting a little bit oily at this time, but the longer I've been using this, the more impressed I've been with the results of my hair. I thought about styling my hair for this video, but I really wanted to show you guys what my natural hair really looks like. You guys know I've been trying to grow out my natural hair color so that I can get rid of the blonde, but the blonde is very, very damaged, and it has years and years of coloring and bleaching and coloring and bleaching and just the worst that you could imagine. I've done it. I went to cosmetology school, and anyone that has gone to cosmetology school, you put your hair through the ringer, and my strands in my hair will tell you that it had been through the ringer, from dark brown to blonde to red to pink to blue to rainbow to green. Anything you can think of, it's been there, and it is super damaged. It's stretchy sometimes, but I've decided to embrace my virgin hair. But this rice water stuff has just been so amazing on this blonde damaged hair especially. It doesn't tangle as much when I use this, and you can use this a multitude different ways, and I've tried out all of the ways that they have provided for me. They did send me a cute little pamphlet here, and I decided to try them all out. There's like all kinds of different tips and tricks in here for healthy hair. Super cute. So they also have little tidbits about all of their products, which I thought was really cute. But I want to go through just this one because I love the shampoo and I love the hair oil and I love the hair mask, but this one has really stuck out to me. So one of the ways to use this is to just use it as a conditioner. So it says after shampooing, you want to wring out the excess water out of your hair to where it's not dripping, and then go through and apply this throughout your hair and leave in for 10 minutes. And then if you really want to bump up the super hydration, which I've tried, is to use their regular Repair Don't Despair hair mask after you've rinsed this out, and that is amazing. So you can use it by itself for as like in place of your conditioner for 10 minutes. You can use it after your conditioner. You can use it with a face mask or like your hair mask with this, same thing. And then one of the ways that I found did wonders for my hair is to leave it in my hair overnight. Sounds really weird, and it is a bit of a hassle, but if you need like a once a month like super hydrating boost to your hair, I was so shocked at how moisturized and soft my hair was after I left this in my hair overnight. And then the next time I washed my hair after I did the overnight was this last time, and I just used my normal shampoo and conditioner, nothing special, and I still feel like my hair is super shiny and soft. And so I did want to include some pictures of what my hair did look like before I started using this, and as you can see, it used to be so frizzy. Lots of reduced frizz to my hair. So I did film this for you guys to show you my whole little routine, where I used the Don't Despair Repair shampoo first, shampooed my hair, get it nice and lathery. Then I went in with the new rice water treatment and put this throughout my hair. And I did get it a little bit close to my scalp because I do have some shorter layers that I do need a little bit more tending to. And then I left it in my hair for about 10 minutes and then rinsed it out. And then I let my hair air dry, and I used the hair oil, the same one, Don't Despair Repair hair oil, which is super cute with the little rose petals in it. And once my hair was dry, I just ran that on the ends of my hair, just like 2 little droplets, and I emulsified it into my hair and just ran it through mostly the blonde parts, and it does the trick. But that is it for this video. Again, I did receive this from Briogeo. I do not have to make a video on it. This is not sponsored or anything, but this is pretty dang awesome, not gonna lie. So I had to share it with you guys, and I know you guys have been wanting more hair videos, so it just fit into the perfect time. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next.